So this is a, what is it, 1906?
No, it's newer, much newer.
Much newer than that. So it's maybe a 40s or something. Steam engine train that's coming down the tracks. Never seen this before. But apparently they stopped letting these run into the cities because they leave a little bit of smoke behind. So we're just gonna enjoy the video. But this thing is epic. Wow. Dang. Okay. That is super cool. And if you want to see this thing, it's gonna be in the St. Paul Depot this Friday. What is it, May 2nd or something? I don't know. Really beautiful train. The inside of these passenger cars are incredible. Some of them look like hotels. Hard to see in this, but man. Oof, that hurts the ears a little bit. Okay, that was worth the stay. I'm not even a train guy, and that was worth hanging out and watching. Smells almost like gunpowder.